So in this video, I am going to explain the governing laws of heat radiation. There are three laws of heat radiation. First one is Kirchhoff's law of heat radiation. Second is Wen's displacement law. And third is Stefan Boltzmann law. Stefan Boltzmann law. So these are the three laws which governs the heat radiation. Okay, that's why they are called as governing laws of heat radiation. We'll see one by one. The first one is Kirchhoff's law of heat radiation. It states that at a given temperature, the ratio of emissive power to the coefficient of absorption of a body is equal to the emissive power of a perfect black body at given temperature. For all wavelengths. For all wavelengths, which we can write in the equation form. The equation is the ratio of emissive power to the coefficient of absorption of a body. The emissive power of body is R and the coefficient of absorption is A, which is equal to the emissive power of black body. The emissive power of black body is RB. So R upon A is equal to RB, or we can write that A is equal to R upon RB. A is equal to R upon RB. The second statement of law is for a body emitting and absorbing thermal radiation in thermal equilibrium, the emissivity of body is equal to absorptivity. The emissivity body is equal to absorptivity at same wavelength. At same wavelength म्हणजे एकाच वेव्हलेंथला आणि ॲट थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम म्हणजे सेम टेम्परेचरला एमिसिव्हिटी इज इक्वल टू दी ॲब्सॉर्प्टिव्हिटी म्हणजेच ए लॅम्बडा इज इक्वल टू ई लॅम्बडा. Lambda is the wavelength at which we are measuring the absorptivity and emissivity at same temperature. At same temperature. So these are the two statements of Kirchhoff's law of heat radiation. Second law is Wen's displacement law. Statement of law is at given wavelength or the wavelength for which emissive power of a black body is maximum. Is inversely proportional to the temperature of absolute temperature of the black body. Absolute temperature of a black body. The emissive power at which the wavelength for which the emissive power is maximum. Black body ची emissive power is given by lambda and it is maximum. So for wavelength, so lambda is the wavelength maximum which gives the maximum emissive power is inversely proportional to the absolute temperature of black body. Absolute temperature means the temperature is mentioned in Kelvin. So therefore we can write lambda max is equal to B upon T. So B is the coefficient, B is called as Wen's constant, which has the value equal to 2.897 into 10 raised to minus 3, which has unit meter Kelvin. So lambda max is the wavelength at which body radiates more or maximum. Body radiates more, and this is the corresponding temperature in Kelvin. Absolute temperature. This is the second governing law of radiation. Third law of radiation is Stefan-Boltzmann law. Stefan-Boltzmann law. So this Stefan-Boltzmann law gives relationship between the radiant power and the absolute temperature of body. So statement The rate of emission of radiant energy. The rate of emission of radiant energy or radiant energy per unit area or power radiated per unit area of a perfect black body. Perfect black body is directly proportional to 4th power of its absolute temperature. Fourth power at its absolute temperature. तर काय power radiated is R. Power radiated is R per unit area. Per unit area. Right? The rate of emission of radiant energy or power radiated per unit area is directly proportional to the 4th power of its absolute temperature. T is the absolute temperature of black body. So the R is equal to Q upon A into A divided Q upon AT. So R is the rate of emission म्हणजे per unit time, the rate of emission of radiant energy per unit area. The rate means per unit time and per unit area. So R is equal to Q upon AT. So we can write here. So this proportionality constant we can introduce here as sigma T raised to 4, where sigma is Stefan-Boltzmann constant which holds the value equal to 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8. 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 joule per meter square second Kelvin raised to 4 or watt per meter square Kelvin raised to 4. Watt per meter square Kelvin raised to 4. This is the value of sigma. Sigma has Stefan-Boltzmann constant I which holds the value 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin raised to 4. मग या R च्या जागी आपण जर Q ठेवला, Q upon AT is equal to sigma T raised to 4. So we get Q is equal to sigma AT into T raised to 4. Okay, so this is the energy which is radiated. Energy which is radiated. So this is for black body. This is for black body. लक्षात आहे. And for other bodies, the value of R is given as E sigma T raised to 4. E sigma T raised to 4. E is the emissivity of emissivity of body. Emissivity of body. So therefore we can write Q is equal to E sigma A T into T raised to 4. This is equation number 2. So Q is the energy or heat radiated. Heat radiated. Okay, and R is the energy, rate of energy or heat radiated per unit area.